I was naughty this weekend. I rode outdoors in -5 degrees Celsius weather, battling the cold and wind. And of course, ended up with a pretty bad dry cough and congested nasal passages. This monk fruit and tangerine peel tea helps relieve that dry cough and will clear up all my sinuses. Using dried monk fruit, dried tangerine peel, fresh ginger, and rock sugar, this quick boil tea is slightly sweet and almost tastes like a lemongrass tea. Monk fruit is a beautiful ingredient for coughs and supporting the lungs that is cooling and quite sweet. I'm using the golden monk fruit, which is more like a maple syrup sweet versus a classic white sugar sweet that comes with the brown monk fruit. Use more of this ingredient if you've got a dry cough. Dried tangerine peel is a warming ingredient that targets the spleen and regulates the qi in the body. This ingredient is amazing for dispersing phlegm from the lungs and the chest. Use more dried tangerine peels if you've got congestion in your chest and lungs. Fresh ginger is perfect for circulating the qi and is warming and disperses cold. It targets the lungs, spleen, and stomach. And finally, rock sugar is perfect for nourishing the lungs and spleen and supports qi deficiency. It relieves cough and phlegm and moisturizes the lungs. Prepare your tangerine peel by soaking it in warm water for 15 minutes to allow it to soften so that you can remove leftover flesh so that the tea isn't quite as bitter and you can reap the full benefits of the tangerine peel itself. I'll use a butter knife to gently scrape this in a bowl or running water until it feels smooth and clean. Throw all your ingredients together into a stove-safe teapot and boil on low to medium heat for 15 minutes. You can drop in the rock sugar, allowing it to fully dissolve before serving. This tea is soothing, slightly sweet, and deliciously nourishing for my cough and lungs. Enjoy!